the occasion of International Day of Family, which is celebrated on 15th May. I'm sure that you will all agree that being in a family means you're a part of something wonderful. It means you will love and be loved for the rest of your life. Now let's begin the assembly with the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is family gives you the root to stand tall and strong. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। आज का शुभ विचार, परिवार से बड़ा कोई धन नहीं, पिता से बड़ा कोई सलाहकार नहीं, माँ की छांव से बड़ी कोई दुनिया नहीं, भाई से अच्छा कोई भागीदार नहीं, बहन से अच्छा कोई शुभचिंतक नहीं, इसलिए परिवार से बड़ा कोई जीवन नहीं। धन्यवाद।
Hello my dear friends. Do you know my name? I'm known as Wish Fulfiller Man. छोटी सी wish, बड़ी सी wish. Come to me to get it fulfilled. सबकी wish पूरी करता हूँ मैं. तो आओ चलो चलते हैं रूही के घर. And let's see what's her wish.
Ruhi, good morning, beta. Ruhi, good morning. Wake up, otherwise you will be late for your online class, beta. Yes, beta, wake up, wake up.
रूही, देख मैं तेरे लिए क्या लाई।
Oh no, mommy! I have said I need chocolate, and these are chocolate candies. आप ही खा लो.
Ruhi, beta come fast. Breakfast is ready.
Early morning, सब शोर मचाना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. Oh God, help me! Oh God, I wish कि मैं इस घर में अकेले रहती. Oh, Ruhi is not happy with her family. So क्या मैं उसकी विश पूरी कर दूं? हाँ? क्या मैं उसकी विश पूरी कर दूं? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Ha 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 ha! Fire, 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 family हो जाए गायब. Fire, 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 family हो जाए गायब. Are you serious? I am home alone. That everyone is gone. Oh, what a fun now. I will sleep till 10 and eat Maggie. नाना नानी आओ ना, एक कहानी सुनाओ ना. मम्मी आप साथ में खेलो ना, अपनी गोदी में ले लो ना. I wish कि सब वापस आ जाए, कोई कभी कहीं ना जाए, हम हमेशा साथ रहें. So Ruhi is missing her family. तो समझे बच्चों, family is everything. So think before you ask for something. And now Ruhi is asking for her family. Ha 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 ha. तो अब इसकी ये विश भी पूरी कर ही देते हैं. आया फायर फायर फायर, रूही की फैमिली आ जाए वापस. Hooray, my family is back. Oh God, मेरी फैमिली हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे. busy in our respective lives, but whenever needed, we come together, especially tough times. And I am sure we all have realized the importance of family, WhatsApp group, and those that should sail us through some tough times. With this in mind, once again we wish you and your loves once very happy International Day of Family. May you enjoy today and forever with your families. Thank you so much.
Bum chicka chicka bum bum chicka chicka bum.
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम। एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के